Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll show you guys how I make cornrows, how I feed in my cornrows. So this is where I started from. I'm going to show you guys how I make my cornrows this neat and invincible. So this is the hair I'll be making. I'm not like fast forwarding this video because I want you guys to see it like really detailed, so I'm just going to part out the next cornrow I'm going to make. So I'm making the middle parts, you see, so I'm just like trying to part out the hair and make sure everything is going well. Like make sure you're parting, you're making sure you're taking note of the end, the back side, the side, so that at the end your cornrows or the back of your cornrows isn't so open, you understand? So that's what I'm just trying to make here. Just go ahead and part that out, then I show you guys how I start. So I'm done parting out, so I'm just going to go ahead to comb that out. Then I start my wave. What I like to do is I like to share the hair in two, or if it's a longer, like from front to back braid, in three. I don't know why I just do that. And then I'm going to cut out the hair for the first weave or the first braid, then I'll just put the hair in my hand. I like holding the hair, the first part of the hair in my hand. I don't know why. So please just watch really closely. I try my best to make the video as clear as possible, as close as possible, but my stand deals with me, So I just like share that in three, then I weave. I do first and then second, and then I start adding. You want to start with a really tiny extension so it has this transition, you understand? Like this. Instead, just put that through. If you watch really closely, you see that my middle finger is doing a lot of work. It's doing a really, really important job here. See, this is another way to add. I just pin that down my middle finger. You see how I did that there? I put that between my index finger and my thumb, and then the other one goes above my middle finger like that. While my middle finger is like pressing the head down, not so much so it doesn't hurt your client's head, just enough to make sure the hair is not like slipping out, mostly when you're making a really tiny braid like this. You see, this is why I can't braid with nails, like not so long nails, because I must do this. This helps the hair last longer because you're really holding everything firmly. Just go ahead and braid the hair at the top of my middle finger with the braid. I'll add that again so you guys will see. So this is how I add normally when I'm faster. You see, I just like put that there and I hold that together and then braid it through. It's not a difficult mathematic. This is not for the maths. This is just as simple, as easy as it looks. Just make sure your index finger and your middle finger is really holding the hair down like this so it doesn't slip out, you see. And just braid. When I'm braiding, hold it firmly. This way it won't be tight because you're already like pressing down with your middle finger. See, put that through like that. Then use your middle finger to press it down just a bit. Then just braid. So with this way, it would be painful for your client because you're not like pulling or trying to secure everything. You're just using your middle finger to like hold it down so it doesn't like pull out. So guys, I hope this video is helpful. I hope you like it. Then just let me know. As you're going down, just make sure you're putting as much extension as needed. If you want a bigger extension, you can keep putting, but first you must start with smaller extensions so you have this transition, this light transition, you see, because my customer's hair is quite thick, so I didn't really need to put too much extensions like that. But if your client's hair is thin, then you really need to do lots of work and put some more extensions later on, you understand? So guys, I hope this video was helpful or is helpful. I hope you learned something today, and if yes, please don't forget to like. You see how the hair is fine. Look at the lines, everything is cute. And she had natural hair, she just blow dried it out, So please don't forget to like, to share with your friends. Maybe somebody needs to learn this, somebody needs to see this. Learning how to braid it's something for everybody. I'm sure you have sisters, brothers, mothers, daughters, you know, even male men braid these days, so everyone needs to like learn it. Thank you guys, and I see you in my next video. Make sure to share, okay, like, don't forget to subscribe, and hopefully we'll see us soonest. Okay, thank you. Are you gonna see the end look later on? Okay, I will show you guys the final product. This is just a video for you to just like see while I'm just making just normally, so a little bit slow, but yeah, just showing you guys. Okay, thank you for staying tuned. Love you guys. Bye bye.